In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Google Workspace for nonprofits, 5 minutes. First, head to the Google Workspace website. This is where you'll start your setup journey and create the account that will power your nonprofit's email, calendar, and collaboration tools. On the homepage, click Get Started or Start Free Trial. Both options take you into the same guided setup. Don't worry, this trial simply opens your admin console so you can configure everything properly. Next, you'll enter your organization's name, the number of employees, and your region. Use your official nonprofit name and choose the most accurate headcount. It helps Google tailor the experience and ensures your account scales appropriately. You'll now decide whether to use an existing domain or purchase a new one. If your nonprofit already has a website domain, choose that option so your email addresses match your brand. If not, you can buy a new domain during setup. Pick something short, clear, and consistent with your organization's identity, create your administrator username, and set a strong password. This account is your master key to the entire workspace, so store the credentials securely and plan to enable two-step verification after setup for extra protection. To verify domain ownership, follow the on-screen instructions. Typically, you'll add a TXT record at your domain registrar. Keep your admin tab open while you paste the record in your DNS settings. After saving, return to the setup and click Verify. If it doesn't validate, immediately wait a few minutes for DNS changes to propagate, then try again. Next, activate Gmail by updating your MX records. Replace any existing MX records with Google's mail servers as directed. Plan this step during a low traffic time to minimize disruption, and remember that changes may take a little while to take effect. While you're there, consider setting SPF and DKIM later to improve email deliverability and security. Once email is active, open the admin console to add additional users. Create separate accounts for staff and key volunteers so everyone has their own login and mailbox, and assign roles based on who needs admin access. To keep your inbox organized, create free email aliases for common addresses, such as a general support or info address, and route them to the right team members' primary mailboxes. Finally, choose a subscription plan to continue after the 14-day trial. Review the available editions and select the one that fits your nonprofit's needs and budget. And that's it. Your Google Workspace is ready to support your mission.